Hi, welcome to Cruise Seat. Today we've got the 2015 Seat Ibiza TSI with FR technology. It's a 1.2 litre engine, manual function, petrol, 5-door hatchback. This is the finish metallic paint midnight black. And this vehicle has electrically adjustable heated door mirrors, and we've got the black alloy wheels there as well. Side indicators. The rear windows are tinted, so privacy glass, and this vehicle has twin exhausts in the back of it. Show you the boot. So you've got a nice size boot, and there's access to putting the seats down as well if needed. Got the FR badge there as well. Each door has the speakers. And this is a 5-seater vehicle with the black cloth interior. It's part leather, and it's got the red sport trim there as well. The front doors have the electric window switch with the door speakers in as well. This vehicle does have cruise control and remote central locking. We've got the display up there and access to the radio, Bluetooth audio connection as well. So we've got the leather gear stick, the handbrake, and the flat-based Sport Edition FR steering wheel with the red trim, and again the part leather black seats. If you're interested in this vehicle, feel free to come to our Cruise Seat dealership or give us a call. Thank you.